Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Star Ahmed from Smart Tech. Friends, if you are looking for the best quality drones in low price, then this video is for you. In this video, I am gonna tell you about some of the best quality drones with great features, which is available at low price. You can order it from AliExpress, links are available in the description. So watch the video till the end and decide which drone is best for you. Before starting the video, if you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe it now and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for our latest videos. Let's start the video. At number 3 we have a drone from Chinese brand called Domain. We have a small easy to carry drone with gravity control system. It comes with small folding wings for flying. It also have the stable flight control system, one key roll for rotating it in the flight. Comes with remote control for quick actions. It comes with 4K HD cam with which you can take the snap using gesture controls, and you can record the video as well using it. You can add some effects in your snaps and videos as well. It comes with 12 minutes of flight time for taking photos and recording videos. Number 2 we have another Chinese brand ATRC. Its compact size and foldable design makes it unique. It comes with one key takeoff option and fixed positioning system, which provides better stability in the air while recording the videos and taking the snaps. With this you can watch the real-time transmission on your mobile. It comes with dual cam which allows you to take snaps from different angles. You can take the photos and record the videos using gesture controls. This drone also have the amazing feature of smart following, and it also comes with the 360 capturing as well. You can take the 360-degree pictures using this drone. This drone also has the option of waypoint journey and easy return home. It comes with 25 minutes of flight time for recording the amazing movements. At number 1 we have high definition ATRC Ariel drone. Its electric camera can be rotatable to 180 degrees for better photography and video recording. You can watch real-time image transmission, which allows you to control every details of shooting. It has 4K HD wide-angle lens and 3-gear flight speed system. The aircraft has stronger wind resistance as well. This drone has the amazing option of headless mode, with which you can fly the drone at 360 degrees freely. It also has the option of gestures control and one key return. It comes with amazing 25 minutes of flight time for taking the photos and recording the videos. Thanks for watching the video. Stay connected for more videos.